Welcome. This is how to apply thermal paste to CPU. So, first is shut down your PC, unplug it, and ground yourself and remove the CPU cooler carefully. Now, after that, you can just simply clean old paste. So make sure to use isopropyl alcohol at least 90% and a microfiber cloth or coffee filter and just simply gently wipe away the old paste from the CPU and cooler base. And now you can just simply apply a new paste and just simply place a small pea-sized dot of thermal paste in the center of the CPU and avoid spreading it manually. So just simply do a pressure from the cooler and it will spread evenly. And after that, just simply reinstall the cooler by placing the cooler straight down on the CPU, screw it in diagonally, tightening a bit at a time to ensure it has an even pressure. And after that, just simply boot your PC back in and monitor the CPU temperature using HW Monitor software or core temperature. And guys, proper application should reduce overheating and keep the temperature stable.